This is the restaurant elevator at the Royal Ontario Museum in Toronto, Ontario. Judging from what I saw from users of other elevator videos of this place, this is a 2007 Fujitec with Dewhurst. Big jumbo square Dewhurst, and of course, unsurprisingly, it left. Because every elevator here is non-stop. Oh, it's already back. In case for all of our service, it must have just been down one floor. The outlet trim's rather short. On the basic one, which is unlabeled, and here we go down. Here at basic one, Druxy's Cafe. Well, up to 5. And that's locked. Back up to 1 then. Certificate, fire operation. Very nice cab with art on the walls. It's the only one where I've actually seen art, on the walls. All the other ones here, very busy and they don't have art on the walls. Pictures.